Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following age-related word problems using algebraic equations. The first question says, a father is 7 times the age that his son is now. In 25 years' time, the father will be twice the age that the son will be then. How old is the son now? Remember, we've been told that the father is 7 times the age that the son is now. We don't know what the age of the son is now. So what I'm going to do is, I have the now age and also I have their ages in 25 years. So using the table below, I don't know what the son's age is. I'm going to represent that with a variable. So now the son is X years old. The father, we've been told from the question, is 7 times the age of the son. So therefore the father, I'm going to label that as the father, is 7 times the age of the son. Remember, the age of the son is X, so the father will be 7 times X. The next statement says, in 25 years' time. That's a future date. So remember, the son, who is X years old now, in 25 years will be X plus 25. And the father, who is 7X years old now, will be 7X plus 25 in 25 years' time. However, we've been told that at this time, 25 years' time, the father will be twice the age that the son will be then. So what that means is the son now in 25 years will be X plus 25. So therefore, the father's age, who is also 7X plus 25, will also be equals to twice the age that the son will be then. The son is X plus 25 years in 25 years' time. So basically, this is the algebraic equation we'll be working with. If I write that out, I have 7x plus 25 equals 2 times x plus, that's twice the son's age. If I simplify, I have 7x plus 25 equals, the 2 is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket. So I have 2x plus 50. Collecting like terms, I'm going to move my 2x to the left-hand side. I have 7x minus 2x plus 25. I'm going to move one term at a time, equals 50. I have 5x plus 25 equals 50. Moving my 25 to the right-hand side, I have 5x equals 50 minus 25. I have 5x equals 50 minus 25. That's 25. Dividing both sides by 5, I have 5 here 1. I have x equals 25 divided by 5, 5 years. So the son's age, which is x, as shown now, is 5 years' time. And if you do a quick check, the son is 5 years now, and the father is 5 times 7, 35. In 25 years' time, the son will be 30, and the father will also be 25 plus 35. That will give us 60, which is twice the age of the son now. Let's look at the next example. In the next example, I have Andrew is 3 times as old as Michael, who is 2 years older than James. If the sum of their ages is 33 years, how old is Andrew? So I have 3 people. I have Andrew. I'm going to start with Andrew. I have Michael. And I have James. If we go back to the question, I have Andrew is 3 times as old as Michael. The question is, how old is Michael? Michael, who is 2 years older than James. So, starting with James, if James is X years old, Michael, we've been told, is 2 years older than James. So that means Michael will be X plus 2 years. That's 2 years older than James. And going back to Andrew, Andrew is 3 times as old as Michael. So what that means is Andrew is 3 times the age of Michael. That's 3 times X plus 2 years. The next statement says, if the sum of their ages is 33 years, how old is Andrew? So sum of their ages, that means I'm going to add all this. That should give us 33 years. So I have 3x plus 2 plus x plus 2, that's the age of Michael, plus the age of James, x, the 3 must give us 33. Simplifying, I have 3 multiplying all the terms in the bracket. I have that as 3x plus 6. I'm going to open the bracket. There's an invisible 1 in front of my x plus 2. So that becomes x plus 2 plus x equals to 33. Grouping my x, I have 3x plus x, 5x. 6 plus 2, that's 8, equals 33. Moving my 8 to the other side, I have it as 33 minus 8. That will give us 25. 5x equals to 25. And to find x, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So therefore my x equals to 5. Remember, we are looking for Andrew's age. Andrew, I have Andrew is equal to 3 times x plus 2 years, and our x is 5 as shown, so we have 5 plus 2 years. That will be 3 times 5 plus 2, 7. So therefore Andrew is 21 years. Let's look at the last example. In the next example, I have a mother is 3 times as old as a son is now. 14 years ago, she was 10 times as old as he was then. How old is the son now? And B, how old was the mother when the son was born? So the age comparison is between the mother and the son. We've been told that the mother is 3 times as old as the son now. So we have the now age. And for the son, let's assume the son's age is X years now. The mother is 3 times as old as the son now. So the mother's age will be 3 times as old as the son. So that will be 3 times X. The next statement says, 14 years ago, that's in the past, she was 10 times as old as a son was then. So what that means is 14 years ago in the past, the son will be X minus 14, and the mother will also be 3X minus 14. But we've been told that she was 10 times as old as he was then. So that means the mother's age, which is 3X minus 14, will also be equal to 10 times as old as he was then. Remember, then he was X minus 14. So that will be 10 times X minus 14. So therefore, the algebraic equation we'll be working with now will be the mother's age. That is, I have 3x minus 14 equals 10 times the age of the son then, that's x minus 14. If I simplify, I have 3x minus 14 equals 10x minus 140. The 10 outside the bracket is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket and collecting like terms. I start with moving my 140 to my left hand side. I have that as 3x minus 14. Because it's a minus on my right, it becomes a plus on my left. I'm left with 10x. I have 3x plus 126 equals to 10x. The next step, I'm going to move my 3x. I have 126 equals 10x minus 3x. That's 126 equals 10x minus 3x, 7x. So dividing both sides by 7, I have x equals 18 years. How old is the son now? Remember, the son, we've been told, is x years. So therefore, the son now is 18 years. The next question says, how old was the mother when the son was born? The mom's age now, I have mom or mother equals 3x, and that's the same as 3 times 18. So the mother's age now is 54 years. So the mother's age when the son was born, remember the son is 18 years now, will be 54 minus 18 years. So therefore, the mother's age when the son was born will be 54 minus 18. That's 36 years. Thanks for watching. Bye.